So guys, this is new one job, senior financial accountant required. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Senior financial accountant required in London. We are looking to recruit a senior financial accountant to join our finance team in London. You will be responsible for compiling and analyzing financial information to prepare financial statements including monthly, annual and statutory accounts, ensuring financial records are maintained in compliance with accepted policies and procedure, ensure proper revenue and expenses are recognized in accordance with GAAP, general ledger operation including performing accounts substantiation, preparing journal entries, ensuring financial close and reporting deadlines are met, proactively provide timely, actionable and accurate financial reporting, analysis and recommendation to the organization, ensuring accurate and timely monthly, quarterly and year-end closes, establishing and monitoring the implementation and maintenance of accounting control procedure, independently resolving accounting discrepancies and irregularities, ensuring accurate and appropriate recording and analysis of revenue and expenses and balance sheet accounts, guide non-financial functional areas through accounting, rationale and impact on reporting and control, analyzing actual result and providing explanation for variance to plan a prior year, financial audit preparation, analyzing financial information and working on cross-functional teams and investigate issue and improve processes, developing partnership, ad hoc project as assigned, mentor junior team members. We would love to meet someone who is a qualified accountant, ACA, ACCA, CA or CIMA, strong knowledge of US GAAP and IFRS, experience of multinational US parent organization, demonstrating excellent knowledge of accounting and finance principle and practices with ability to apply team in a business analysis situation, track record of balancing multiple priorities and simultaneously with the ability to adapt to the changing needs of business while meeting deadlines, proficient in Microsoft Office application with strong experience in Excel, proven track record in problem analysis with the ability to creatively and proactively problem solve, track record of identifying process improvement and making appropriate recommendations, experience of a hybrid financial management system is desirable. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So senior financial accountant required. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience and you must be graduate like ACA, ACMA and CA, then you can eligible for this job. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated profile by use this link. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other category jobs available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for the job. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also jobs links available in the description, so you can easily visit and directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.